Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about dynamic placeholders and using or doing basic math operations in Greenshift's interaction layers. In this example, we're going to be talking about dynamic placeholders and basic math operations. What we will be doing is creating a simple currency converter from USD to Euro. Let's go ahead and add a heading over here, currency converter, and let's go ahead and add a couple columns here. Let's put a heading here and a heading here. We'll call this one USD, and then we'll call this one Euro. Let's go ahead and add our input fields. Input. Okay, input element, we'll put one down here under USD, and we'll put one over here under Euro, and let's set up the parameters here. The input will be number, and then this one will be text, but it will be read-only. That way our users won't be able to mess with this. And let's go ahead and add some classes. Okay, we'll name this one USD input, and then this one will be Euro output. Okay, just local classes. And let's add a button down the middle. Let's put it in a container, and we'll call it our, center that, convert. And we can customize this with whatever color we want, but that's not relevant for this. And we'll call this one something real simple. Convert button, and make that local. Okay, now let's go ahead and set up our interaction layers. Let's click on convert here, or button advanced, convert button here, advanced. Head down to interaction layers, add new interaction layer. Our trigger will be on click. It will be set attribute value, and then the value of the attribute will be the value of, okay, we're gonna click on the map pin icon there, selector, and we're going to get our attribute from our US dollar input. Let's go ahead and click on current selector. You don't have to use these map icons. If you know what your class is, you just have to type it in there and make sure you put the period or the dot before it, because that's how it recognizes whatever classes are. And let's go ahead and click on add math operations. We'll select times, well, the star sign here, and we can just go ahead and put 0.91. That's our current exchange rate, let's say. And finally, let's, on this first action here, set attribute, let's click on enable custom selector, and it gives us this. It's basically asking us where we want our data to be calculated into, and we'll target our Euro output. So let's review our logic right here. This interaction layer is applied to this convert button because we didn't select any of these things. There's no delay either. And this action, the trigger, and the action will be set attribute of what? The attribute of Euro output. And what attribute of Euro output is that? It's going to be value. Where are we going to get our value from? Simple. It's going to be the value from US dollar input multiplied by 0.91. Let's go ahead and click on save and take a look at this on our live side and see if this actually works. So we have our currency converter here, US dollars to euros. Let's put 34 USD, convert, and that is 30.94 euros. How about 57 US dollars? That is actually 51.87 euros. And there you have it. using dynamic placeholders, and doing basic math operations in Greenshift's interaction layers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.